guys, we're back on the trail. Connie and Jaime here today, and we are doing the Eagle Bay Vikingsholm Loop Trail out in South Lake Tahoe.
It's a 2.5 mile heavily trafficked trail, and sadly there's no dogs allowed on here, but besides that, it's a 480 feet elevation gain, so we'll see what happens.
So here we are at the start of the trailhead where you'll get some fun tips. So this one is supposed to be steep. It's actually going to be in the beginning part the way down. On the way back is where you're going to feel that incline, so just be prepared for that. That's gorgeous. Even with all the smoke, it's still nice. So on this trail at the bottom, there's supposed to be a castle. Vikingsholm Castle, actually. It's a good stopping point, and it's going to be one of our stopping points. Another feature of this trail is a waterfall. Hopefully there is a lot of water. I know sometimes with the summer months it looks kind of sad. We'll see what we have in store. We're coming up on a switchback. It's a very big one. Zoom on around. So it's supposed to be a moderate trail. I mean, right now it's kind of easy. We'll see how it feels on the way back. So as you can see, so far it's pretty shady out here. We got here around like 3 or 4. Perhaps it might be a different story if you go like midday. No bugs so far, so that's nice. We're coming up on a switchback. So you guys, we have come to a split. We're going to stick to the right so that we can go to the Eagle Falls trailhead and to the castle. So as you guys can see so far, this trail is primarily paved. Little cabin! Want to see it? So here we'll keep going straight on the trail. We're taking a little detour because I want to see this cabin. I tell Jaime that I want to move out here because I only come see in like the summer months, but that he says I won't stand up to the cold, that I'm a wimp. Look at the little animal. There's restrooms on this little trail, you guys. Go when nature calls. Guys, just remember to go ahead and be respectful of the trail. Pick up your trash. Okay, so. Looks like a fairy tale door.
Hey guys, this is the side of the castle. There's a lot of little trails around here you can explore. See guys, look at this. It's the boat loading zone.
So you guys, you're gonna either keep going straight or make a right. We're gonna make a right so that we can head on to the Eagle Falls trailhead. This is a little visitor center. When you come up to the house, you'll go ahead and see right here a little sign that motions for us to go this way for the Eagle Falls.
Be careful when you're out here because pine cones fall out of the trees and it's gonna smack you right in the head.
Just keep following the trail, you guys. We hopped on that little bridge there, and right here you'll see the sign. We'll go ahead and make a left to continue on to see the rest of the falls. Watch your step out here, you guys.
Hey guys, we made it to the falls, even though it's kind of sad because it's the end of summer.
Yeah, but it's still peaceful just to hear the water rushing.
We saw most of the people, they stayed at the boats. So, I mean, maybe people think it's too slow flowing for them, but it's still pretty nice up here. The whole scenery, the water, it's very soothing out here.
Yeah, I think we're not gonna go ahead and record the way back. You guys seen it, but we're just gonna take that incline up. It didn't seem too bad. If we're dying at the end, we'll record it and tell you guys.
I doubt it's that bad. But like we always say, we recommend it. So please subscribe and like and hit a comment. And we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Peace.